Sometimes on a staycation, you just gotta soak it all in. Oh, hello, didn't see you there, but I'm certainly glad there's a lot to see out here and all across Vermont, especially in East Burke, where we're about to go to check out how natural farmland blends so perfectly into the mountainous landscape.
It's the Inn at Burklyn, and your arrival time is now.
I am Jim Crone. My wife and I bought this together. We bought the house. It was in sad disrepair. It took us 2 years to restore it. We're in the Northeast Kingdom and it's really hard to find craftsmen that aren't busy. So we ended up restoring most of it ourselves with a handful of people. We did everything we could when restoring this house to restore it to its original condition by adding amenities that we felt were necessary for guests to stay here and feel comfortable and feel at home. We kept as many things as we could. We tried to make sure that where we added a piece of molding, you couldn't tell where it started and stopped from 1904. Elmer Darling did an amazing job building this house.
My name is Michael. I kind of do a little bit of everything here. Cool historical facts about the inn. This is one of the very first buildings I've been able to find online that has a central vac system. A central vac system is where there's plug-ins in the wall and you can just plug a hose right into the wall, start to vacuum from right there. The original electric panels are really cool. They're still in use today, still have the original wiring in the house. They were custom made for this house. When guests come here, it feels like they're walking into their own house. We treat them like family. We get them anything they need pretty much at any time of day. And they can grab a book and sit by a fire and have a glass of coffee or tea anytime they like.
Hi, I'm Marcy. My husband Jim and I own the Inn at Burklyn. This is in the neoclassical style. When you first walk in, you notice the big fireplace here. That's original and with the original coat of arms above it. The woodwork was all here, all the beautiful moldings and the carvings. Anywhere we needed to replace anything, we mimicked what was already there. We have 14 guest rooms and we can accommodate 29 guests. Franconia is one of our large suites. It was originally Elmer Darling's bedroom. The wallpaper that we chose in there has peacocks on it, and that's because back in the day, Elmer had a peacock farm on property, so it's kind of an ode to Elmer. In room 303, we have a large bathroom and we have a beautiful clawfoot tub, looks out over the view. It has a pretty window and a little alcove. We are also offer a wraparound porch. So the wraparound porch, people can go out and gather and have appetizers, tapas, and beautiful craft cocktails. We have a mini garden on the property. It's an Olympic ski training hill. It's really close by, and connected to our property is Kingdom Trails. My staff put together a delicious charcuterie board for us to share, so come on over and enjoy it with us.
Just like the delicious apples found all over the state, it really was a sweet treat
To meet Marcy, Jim, and Michael at the Inn at Burklyn.
where their family is now opening the doors to other families to have a memorable staycation experience, just like we'll find here in Stowe, Vermont at our next property.